Hi there, and welcome to this about 5 of the best smart home devices on the market. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of each device and what it can do. Lumiman Smart Light Bulbs. Lumiman Smart Light Bulbs are LED light bulbs that can be controlled using a smartphone app or voice command. They can be turned on and off, dimmed, and even color changed. Lumiman Smart Light Bulbs are a great way to add convenience and style to your home. Nest Learning Thermostat. The Google Nest Learning Thermostat is a smart thermostat that can learn your heating and cooling habits and automatically adjust the temperature in your home to save you energy. It is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control it from anywhere using the Google Home app or your voice. Blink Mini Security Camera. The Blink Mini is a small, wireless security camera that can be used to monitor your home. It is easy to set up and use, and it offers a variety of features, such as motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio. Schlage & Code Smart Lock. The Schlage & Code is a smart lock that can be locked and unlocked using your smartphone, a key fob, or a code. It is also compatible with voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Ring Video Doorbell. The Ring Video Doorbell is a smart doorbell that can be used to see and talk to people at your door from anywhere using your smartphone. It also has a built-in camera that can record video and take photos. These are just 5 of the many great smart home devices that are available on the market. I encourage you to buy it, links in the description.